Comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money,
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money,
Dollar, dollar.
Hello and welcome to Money on the Floor. I'm here to help you pick it up. Talking about arbitraging, talking about these cryptos, always talking about trading. I love trading. And we got this coin down here we're always talking about. So, right now, we are talking about arbitrage. Arbitraging.com. Yep. Here's my account, dead in the water, but I'm still at $25,202. What to do with it? What's going to happen? I don't know anything. I got my 26,000 tokens just waiting to do something. Looks like ETH is starting to come up. That's good. 308. Moving along. I got a little ETH on here, but I'm waiting for that to come up. Let me see what we're up to. It's up to $61. Came up $1.17. That's good. Better than nothing. Free gas. No gas, but maybe free coins. Maybe I get another dollar in coins over here. I don't know if I can still purchase coins. That's the question. We'll find out. So right now, here's the A-bot. Nothing to be made because I got no gas. I guess the payout today was 0.54. It's pretty good. We're at 17.85. I don't know if anybody's making any more coins anymore. I don't know anything. All I know is a lot of people talking. A lot of talk. I don't know. Some make sense, some doesn't. We'll have to wait and see. But the only thing I see is nobody knows. Nobody knows. Let's see. We have any announcements? I didn't see anything. I was up there on the Telegram chat. I didn't see anything new. Nothing new here. Okay. It's all stuff we know about. So let's check out the Trade Pro. We got ETH against Bitcoin. Boy, it's at the bottom. Wow. But if we look over here, we got Bitcoin's at 9.1 and ETH is at 4.1. So that means Bitcoin's got the power. That makes sense. So on a day chart, we're on the bottom of the floor. So let's drop it down. 4 hour. We're still on the floor, but we got a little bounce right there happening. Something productive is moving. Yep, there it is, little green candle. Let's get this volume out of the way. Little tiny green one. So watch out with that one. That one might be tricky. 1 hour. Okay, now we're going sideways. So basically, I would just, well, it looks like a flag pattern to me. Got the pole here, like it always does. It drops, bear flag, drops, bear flag, drops, bear flag, drops. Now, flag pattern just goes straight across. But this one here is going up. It's more like well, I guess a bear flag to me, but I don't know. Everybody sees different things. Either way, we went sideways. We went up a little bit, but this one's true sideways. That's why I call this one a flag. To me, a flag goes straight across, or it's called a pole trade. Whatever it goes in, usually it comes out. So be careful with that. We might still have more down to go. But from what I'm seeing, as far as Elliott Wave and everybody else that's talking in the currency sphere and does the Elliott Wave, they're talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're both going to make higher highs. Now, they still say it's complex what they're doing right now, that it still could dump. So you have to be careful either way. So if you're going to trade, you keep your stop losses tight. You can't take a chance taking a big loss like that. Man, that would suck. You didn't get a chance to put your stop loss in and thing just took off and rocketed like it sometimes does. So here's a 15-minute chart. So what you could do is put this thing under consolidation and play the breakout. We'll give it a little room here to here and see which way it's going to go. Could go up, could go down. I guess going down, but they say it's supposed to come back up. So we'll see over the weekend. But keep an eye on it. You never know. That's what I'm seeing right now. You're in total consolidation right here. So I would play the consolidation pattern, put two trend lines, and play the breakout if you're able to trade it. Now, if you want to go to Bitcoin US dollar, which is right here, This one here went boom, big down, back up, and now we're starting to get a red candle. Okay. It doesn't tell us anything that we're going up, and we had rejection, a big pullback. And we hit the floor here and we bounced back up. Now there is no floor here except for the top of that candle. So we'll see what happens from there. But let's take it down to a smaller time frame, see if we can see more candles. Here we go, this helps. So basically if you're trading this one here, what I would do is, I don't see any really resistance. You have a little bit up in here, you have resistance. Here, no. But what you could do is put a trend line across this, and as long as you get green candles, you buy. But if you break it, you just jump the trade and be ready for a sell. But that's a 240 candle. So let's see something smaller, see what else we can see. Okay, now it's the same thing, just more candles. But now you can see you got a longer trend line. So you put your trend line across here, run it way out there, and just anything that bounces off a green candle, you can try to buy that. But if it breaks that trend line, you bail out of that trade. Now you're going to hit resistance right here. You're going to hit resistance right here and right here. So you mark those on your chart. Just in case it starts to slow down there and you start seeing signs like a evening star, evening star. You should go through and try to find these. Another morning star, morning star. So you got a lot of different candle formations. So right now, everything's good. The volume's getting smaller and your candle size are getting smaller. So something's going to happen soon. So I'd be looking for a breakout, put your trend line below, and in case it breaks that, you're going to bail out of the trade and get out as cheaply as possible. But take this down to a 15-minute chart. Get some more candles. There we go. So we had a break up, went sideways. So we're either going to go back up or come back down. So here's your trend line right through here, and you're looking for not crossing that. You start to get a green candle off of this, it's safe to buy it. Just remember, if it crosses that trend line, you're just closing the trade, whatever the loss. It's going to be the smallest way out if you're wrong. But if you start going into profit, it's enough profit, you close it. If you want to try moving your stop and go to break even and see if it'll run some more, that's fine. But right now, with the way the market is, I would take the money and run. So we can look at it on a 5-minute chart real quick. I think it's really sideways here and it's still in the same pattern. But we should be getting a bounce soon, so watch for it. It'll give you a little tail here, so it's going to look like it's going to go down, try to trick you, and it'll pull back up, and then the next one will be a green candle. So that's the one you want to buy. Just like right here, just like right here, just like right here. Does it everywhere. Just does everything over and over and over. So watch for that. Boom, here, like if here you would have put a trend line all the way across, and you say, okay, every green candle I'm going to buy it, and bought, it went red, got out. Bought, 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 went red, got out. As long as you don't cross this trend line, you're buying those green candles. You would have made nothing but money. You see how that works? It's pretty cool. That's trading. See, like right now, it looks like it's trying to cross, so keep your eye on it. If it pulls back up and gives you a green candle, what are you supposed to do? Buy. There you go. Now we're talking. So keep an eye on it. It's kind of fun. That's what makes trading fun. And when you win, when your losses are small and your wins are bigger, it's fun. That's all I know. Especially when you go out and eat on the money you made. So when we get Trade Pro, you can do that. That's all you got to do. Just do that and you make money. So let's look at another currency pair. Let's look at ETH and US dollar. Should be exactly the same. Up, down, up, right to there. So we got a red candle. That's all we know. Let's take it to a 4-hour. 4-hour, we're going sideways. But we're hitting the floor, looks like right there. Now is it floor or ceiling? It does matter because here it's at the bottom, here it's at the top. So we're looking for maybe a bounce down or a break and a close above and then another green candle. So let's go smaller. Let's see if we can see more. Take it down 1 hour. 1 hour, you got all this mess right here again. Remember what I said. Every green candle, if you bought it, boom, 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 out. Bought, out. Bought, out. Bought, out, out. Bought, out. Bought, out, bought, out. That easy. That's all you got to do. Now it's a 60 minutes. There's a lot of money there. You got a lot of movement within 60 minutes. Maybe that's too much movement for you. Maybe you just want to scalp it. Let's go 15 minutes. the same idea. It's the same trend line. Anything that's a green candle above that line, you're buying. I'm not saying every bar, but the beginning, you got to see it being red, red coming down, turning around green, you buy. Red coming down, turning around green, you buy. Red coming down, green, you buy. Red coming down, green, you buy. See what I mean? It makes more sense, I hope. But if you can do that, you'll make money. And just keep your stop tight. You know, put like a normal stop down. If you're going to get in here, put your normal stop here. But if you see it cross that trend line, just close the trade. Just close. Gone. Bye. Don't need you no more. Take the little loss and go. So anyway, this is called fun trading. This is what I love doing. And I know you would love it too if you like to trade. So if you're listening to me, obviously you do. So you probably want to try it. So try some fun trading, guys. All right. Anyway, have a nice day. We'll talk to you later. We'll see if we hear anything soon, because right now we're still in the dark. At least I am. So have a great evening. Bye-bye.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.